Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In this part, we'll guide you through the actual replacement process. Let's get into it. Choosing the right parts is just as important as having the right tools. Think of it like fitting the correct battery into your remote. If it's not right, it simply won't work. Step-by-step guide to headlight switch replacement. Replacing a headlight switch can feel like a daunting task, but with a little preparation and the right steps, you can do it yourself. This guide is designed to help you through each part of the process, ensuring you feel confident in making the change. Let's get started. Before getting your hands dirty, it's essential to prepare the vehicle properly. Start by disconnecting the battery to protect yourself from electrical shocks and prevent any potential short circuits. Remove the negative terminal first, followed by the positive terminal. Make sure you have the right tools handy: screwdrivers, flathead and Phillips, pliers, a flashlight, and safety glasses. Park your vehicle on a flat, stable surface to make the job easier and safer. Refer to your vehicle's owner manual for specific instructions related to your make and model, as different vehicles may have different switch placements. Now that you have prepared your vehicle, it's time to take out the old headlight switch. Locate the switch, usually found on the dashboard or the steering column. Remove any trim panels if the switch is behind them. Gently pry them off using a flathead screwdriver, being careful not to damage the clips. Once you can see the switch, unplug the wiring harness by looking for a clip that holds the connector in place and pressing or pulling it gently to disconnect. Use the appropriate screwdriver to remove any screws holding the switch in place, keeping these screws in a safe spot for later. Carefully pull the switch out of its housing, taking care not to damage nearby components. With the old switch out, it's time to install the new one. Place the new switch into the same housing from which you removed the old one. Secure the switch using the screws you saved, making sure it feels firm and does not move around. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring it clicks into place to indicate a secure connection. Reattach any trim panels you removed, snapping them back into position carefully. Before you wrap up, it's crucial to test the new switch to ensure everything works as it should. Reconnect the battery, starting with the positive terminal followed by the negative terminal. Turn on your vehicle and test the headlight switch by trying each position, including low beams, high beams, and any other features available. Look at your dashboard to make sure no warning lights are flashing. If all tests pass, you've successfully replaced the headlight switch. By following these steps, you can replace your headlight switch with confidence, saving money and gaining a sense of accomplishment. Remember to always prioritize safety and enjoy the bright new lights. Common mistakes to avoid during replacement. Replacing a headlight switch can seem straightforward, but many DIYers make mistakes that can lead to problems later on. By being aware of these common errors, you can ensure a smoother replacement process and avoid costly blunders. One of the most frequent mistakes is neglecting electrical connections. Proper wiring is essential for your headlight switch to work efficiently. If you don't connect the wires securely, you could experience flickering lights or complete failure. Imagine trying to enjoy a movie with a loose projector. It's just not going to work well. Make sure the new switch is compatible with your vehicle's wiring system. Double-check that each wire is connected tightly, and use pliers or wire strippers to ensure connections are secure. Another common misstep is forgetting to test the new switch after installation. It's tempting to assume everything is fine once you replace a part. However, testing is crucial. It's like checking your phone charger after plugging it in. You need to confirm it's working as expected. Start by turning on your vehicle and testing all functions of the headlight switch. Ensure the headlights, high beams, and any other settings work properly. Look at your dashboard to make sure no warning lights are flashing. A few extra minutes of testing can save you a lot of time and frustration down the line. Avoiding these common mistakes will not only make the replacement process smoother but will also extend the life of your vehicle's lighting system. Stay mindful and take your time to do it right. When to seek professional help. Sometimes, changing your headlight switch can be trickier than it looks. While some issues are pretty straightforward, others may require the help of a professional mechanic. Here are a couple of situations when it's smarter to call in an expert instead of trying to do it all yourself. Cars have complicated electrical systems that can confuse even seasoned DIYers. If you notice flickering lights, multiple system failures, or repeatedly blown fuses, it might indicate a deeper electrical problem. Tackling these advanced problems without proper tools or knowledge could cause more harm than good. Not every issue can be handled with basic tools you find at home. If you lack the right equipment or experience, consider hiring a pro. Specialized tools, safety concerns, time investment, and warranty considerations are all factors that might make professional help the better option. Mechanics often have advanced tools designed specifically for automotive repairs and can diagnose and fix issues more quickly. In these situations, it's simply smarter to seek professional help rather than risk injury or further damage to your vehicle. Being smart about your choices will save you time, frustration, and money in the long run. Timely headlight switch replacement is essential for your safety on the road. Faulty headlights can lead to dangerous situations, especially during night drives or poor visibility. Regularly inspecting your vehicle's lighting systems can prevent these issues and keep your vehicle performing well. Don't wait for a problem to arise. Check your headlight switch regularly and replace it as needed to ensure your lights operate effectively. Take action today. Your safety depends on it. How often do you check your vehicle's lights? Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.